Hello friends, today we will learn how to connect WhatsApp to laptop or PC. First, whether check your laptop or PC is connected to the internet, and also keep mobile data on to yourself. Uh, okay, now my PC is connected to the internet. Now I will open a browser. After open a browser, type WhatsApp web Google, then press enter. Select first option, web WhatsApp. After that, you will display the screen, and with QR code. Then now open from mobile WhatsApp and select web browser. Press OK. Then scan that QR code which is displayed on a laptop or PC. Reload it, and you will display the QR automatically. The screen is scanned, and all messages will be displayed in laptop. So here you will save the memory also if you operate from laptop or PC. Log out, click here, log out. The screen will be logged out. Again, if you want to connect with this, you can scan QR code from yourself. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press on bell icon to get some multi videos as knowledge to you. Keep learning, keep going. Thank you.